ANDHIKA RIZKY PERDANA. I'm from Paramount School Palembang. So today I will show my final project implementation for CS50 and my project name informatic class. I made a web application. In the backend side, I use Python Plus and DB also, MySQL in here. So and then the front end side, I use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then Bootstrap also. Okay, let's go. In here, I already registration form, login form. All of them works fine. As you can see, you can write down your username, email, password, and this one of my feature is you can choose the level. Okay, I have account already, so I log in with a student at gmail.com. 1 2 3 login. Okay, it works. I have so many menu here: home, library, and then material, and then quiz, and then game, and then about me. Okay, for the second level, like visitor at gmail.com. 1 2 3. It has a limited menu, only the digital library, play game, and about me. That's all my words. Many things maybe must be improved for my web application. Thank you.